Nakitlong kari kasi. Ngiwan lam siya pi ko sngur bakhuit parpasngam. Ka beats aqua. Shpausnem dang yai pinja sliang.
Meghalaya Motorsport Society ringkat ke jenis nok tilang, barka Go Set Speed Racing Pune kelapan benapan ba shikilat pathai kubor mendaga kendai teruyayong arjar arpun rio pakan pelong ke jenis liakai tamasa stun bike hakakat waiterik mentau benai kapala jagerteng ke MRF Mogrip Supercross FMSCI National Championship arjar arpun rio ke Banselong Hamadan Kurkalang Riboy District. Kinong penyat yang ke jenis liakai kelapan bena bakeleng ki jala kri India kin sawan mention benda hakan ke MRF Mogrip Supercross MFSCI National Championship arjar arpun rio.
We've been organizing these events, the Supercross Championship, for over 22 years, and we've had many events. Almost we've had 500 odd events in different disciplines of off-road racing. When we were deciding to have the championship this year, the championship consists of 6 rounds. So we thought we have been contemplating with the idea of coming to the Northeast for a couple of years now. And finally I met Phoebe, and Phoebe said that you come to Meghalaya and we will help you organize this event. And this was a good opportunity. And finally, we are in Shillong. I'm very happy and proud to announce you that this is one of the maximum entries we've received since we've started conducting events, or Supercross events, way back about 22 years ago. So we have received about 141 entries in the different categories. We've got 8 different categories. Right from the junior class, which is up to 9 to 11 years, then 12 to 14 years, and 16 to 17 years, and then we have the experts, Indian experts class, the private experts class, which of course after a long time we are having a qualifying rounds. So the grid, the start line is about for 24 entries maximum. So if we get more than 24 entries, we have qualifying. In fact, we have, in a couple of classes, we have over 35 entries. So we will have to have qualifying rounds tomorrow, which is the practice sessions and the qualifying rounds, and then day after tomorrow, we'll have the race. So we are very happy to come here, and hopefully the rain gods are a little merciful on us. We could have a fantastic event. This is also one of our USP events for the night event, because we are also having the FMX riders. That's FMX is freestyle motocross riders from abroad. One is an Austrian and one is a Russian, who are coming and performing. Who will perform daredevil stunts during the intervals of the race. Besides this thoroughbred racing, we have also some entertainment in live bands and of course pyrotechnics and all. So all in all, we are very happy to come and participate in Shillong, and looking forward for a great event.
The venue is at Madan Kurkalang.
Can you also tell us on the potential of the sports?
So, as I said, we have been wanting to come and explore this the situation of the riders here and all that, and I went to the practice tracks since I've been here for over a week and doing preparations for the event. I've gone to the practice tracks and all that, and I have seen a lot of potential. And thanks to Bantai that he's putting in a lot of effort to get a lot of riders from the Northeast, and he's training them. He's got a track, so I was very impressed. They were also riding with proper gear. The motorcycles were also up to the standard. So we have, during a national championship event, we have very strict standards for the way the motorcycle is prepared and the safety gear. So especially the federation sends the technical delegates and the scrutineers to check and scrutinize every aspect of the motorcycle as well as the protective gear.